Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan with Her Courage to Plan, and this is going to be day 2 of the scripture reading that I'm doing for the month of October, and it is going to be on God's promises. In day 2 of God's promises that we're going to read, it comes from Genesis chapter 9 verses 8 through 17. It is titled, "A Flood Will Never Again Destroy the Earth." So let's go ahead and get right into the reading. "I hereby confirm my covenant with you and your descendants, and with all the animals that were on the boat with you, the birds, the livestock, and all the wild animals, every living creature on earth. Yes, I am confirming my covenant with you. Never again will flood waters kill all living creatures. Never again will a flood destroy the earth." Then God said, "I am giving you a sign of my covenant with you and with all living creatures for all generations to come. I have placed my rainbow in the clouds. It is the sign of my covenant with you and with all the earth. When I send clouds over the earth, the rainbow will appear in the clouds, and I will remember my covenant with you and with all living creatures. Never again will the flood waters destroy all life. When I see the rainbow in the clouds, I will remember the eternal covenant between God and every living creature on earth." Then God said to Noah, "Yes, this rainbow is the sign of the covenant I am confirming with all the creatures on earth." That is the end of our scripture reading for day 2. Now we're going to go ahead and write out our scripture. And tonight I'm going to just do a little bit of preparing. And of course I'll speed the video along. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed tonight's scripture reading and writing. I hope it has blessed you all as much as it has blessed me. I thank God for each and every one of you. And again, until tomorrow, I will see you later. Bye.